Hey, are you looking for something small for your blister packaging production and you don't want to be huge and clunky? I get you. Let me introduce you something good. Our 90R blister packing machine. This machine is suitable for aluminum PVC, aluminum, and also paper PVC packaging. All you need to do is just to change the mold accordingly. So the question is, why this machine? The answer is simple. Firstly, small size. The dimension of this machine is only 1,500 mm by length, 500 mm by width, and 1,000 mm by height. But obviously, it's shorter than me, and it only takes a small space. So at the end of the day, you don't want to put an elephant-sized machine in your workshop for small-scale production, right? Secondly, low cost and low investment. So as I said earlier, this machine is compatible with aluminum PVC, aluminum, and also paper PVC packaging. It also supports a wide range of material including PEC, PS, and PET. So basically, you only invest in one machine, but it can be used in multiple applications. Thirdly, high performance. This machine may be small, but it has the same function and working station as a larger blister packing machine. Forming, feeding, sealing, traction, and cutting. Small but full capability. Fourthly, versatile application. It is a compact, high-efficiency blister packing machine special designed for pharmaceutical, biotechnology, electronics, food factories, and more industries. Whether you want to pack tablets, capsules, candies, e-cigarettes, perfume, ketchup, or even butter, this is all you need. Let me introduce you some more key features. Modern design with the slot-type mold, fast and easy mold change in just 15 minutes. Waste recycling system, keeping the workshop clean and tidy. Friendly counting function, real-time counting of a finished product. Branded electrical component, such as Schneider for premium quality, reliability, and easy maintenance. So anything happen with this component, you can find an easy solution in your own country. Comparing to the same model from our competitor, this 90R blister packing machine features the balcony-style platform design for a wider working area, expanding the mold change space and guarantee the operator's safety. In addition, with the fully enclosed structure for the platform and mold area, it can prevent dust from entering the machine and avoid secondary pollution to meet CGMP standards. In case you're wondering, we offer a customized option for the feeder and the mold to suit your production need. In case you need help for the shipping, we offer DDP and DDU service, so the machine can be shipped to your door easily. So after the introduction of this machine, how do you like it? If you're interested, please feel free to contact us.